Hello! Video about an emergency opening and starting of the BMW X3 2020 engine using the EES PRO device. This is the EES PRO device. The tested car BMW X3 2020. This is the device big unit. The car smart key is at a distance of about 4 meters from the big unit. The exact distance on the laser rangefinder is 3.8 meters. The distance to the car is about 40 meters. Check. The car is closed. Turn on the device small unit and open the driver's door. We enter the car and put the switched on small unit on the central console. Push the car start button and on the dashboard we can see that the engine starts. Turn off the small unit. The engine continues to work. Now we turn off the engine and press the start button. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Turn on the small unit and start the engine. Turn off the small unit again and start moving. We stop the engine. The test is completed successfully. Thanks to everyone for watching.